Our development team has an AR game project which is based on the web. I have finished up the prototype for our AR game project, and now we're just a step away from bringing it to life. We need a 3D model for our player, and luckily, my sister, who's a talented 3D artist, is on board to help us out. However, she's swamped with other commitments, so it might take her about a week to craft the model we need. Now, my brother-in-law, very impatient guy he is, got a bit impatient waiting around. So, he had the thoughts of learning to make 3D models by himself. Then he realized he's being too crazy and he cannot do that in less than a week. But quickly, he realized it's no easy feat, especially less than a week. Then he thought maybe he can find an AI tool which can help him. That's when he stumbled upon a Meshy.ai. A fantastic tool can whip up any character you can dream of in under 2 minutes. All you have to do is hop onto their website, sign up for free, describe the character you want, pick a style, and voila! The AI turns out multiple options for you to choose from. Once you have selected your favorite, you can even refine it to polish up to the quality. I have already created a Ninja Turtle model using it, and you can see how it looks.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I'm a Ninja Turtle.
If you want to learn more about this tool, you can go to the documentation and tutorial section on the website. Another thing you can do on this website is share your characters with other people and discover what other people have made. I have seen AI tools for generating all sorts of stuff before, like images, sprites, code, but Meshy.ai really takes the cake. Sure, there might be some minor texture or topology issues to iron out in the final result, but nothing that cannot be fixed with a little tweaking. It's a godsend for indie game developers like me, not to mention a huge time saver for 3D artists. Based on a 2023 IBM survey, nearly half of big businesses have started using AI in their work, and about the same number are thinking about using it too. Also, a good chunk of organizations have already started using generative AI in their processes, with a similar number thinking about it. While AI tools are getting better every day, they are not about to replace 3D artists just yet. Still, who knows what the future holds. 10 or 12 years down the line, they might be giving us a run for our money. It's an exciting prospect, but also a bit bittersweet to think about. Now, I want to show you how to make your own character in Meshy.ai. The first thing you should do, click on Text to 3D. Then, type name of your character inside of the prompt box. For example, I'm just gonna write pirate. Then, I'm gonna choose my art style, which is gonna be cartoonish. You can choose realistic or poly, or just let the Meshy.ai choose for you when you click on auto. Then the next thing we should do is to click on generate button. Our model is ready. Meshy.ai gave us 4 options, and I'm gonna choose the closest character to which I wanted. I click on the model and I can see my model on the right hand side. Doesn't look good because it has a very blurry vision. So what I'm gonna do to click on refine at the bottom. After a couple of minutes, my model is ready. Now I can download it by clicking on the download button on the right hand side. So what do you think about Meshy.ai? Let me know in the comments below. Also, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.
Bass in your face.